Assalamualaikum students. Sufa English School Akola, Class 8, Subject Geography, Lesson number 2. Continue the interior of the earth. Next part of the lesson is the inner core. The inner core extends from around 5150 km to the depth of around 6371 km. Earth center. It is the core of the earth which is in a solid state. The density of this sphere is the around 30.3 gram cubic meter. Iron, the ferrous and nickel, the Ni, are the major elements found here. Therefore, this is the diagram of the magnetic sphere. Magnetic sphere is the earth. The ozone layer the protect our earth from ultraviolet radiation. जो अल्ट्रावायलेट रेडिएशन होती है सन के पास में ओजोन लेयर, वो हमारी प्रोटेक्ट करती है अल्ट्रावायलेट की उससे रेज से ओजोन लेयर. इसी तरह द अर्थ मैग्नेटोस्फेयर serve to deflect most of the solar winds, whose charged particles would otherwise strip away the ozone layer. In this way, the earth is protected because of the magnetosphere. This is the magnetic equator geographical axis and a geomagnetic axis geographical equator. The figure 2.3 A and B is the earth magnet, geomagnetic pole and equator. Before the next exercise, this layer is also called a knife, as the materials in this layer are under extreme pressure. The inner core is in a solid state. The temperature here is the almost equivalent to the supreme temperature of the sun. The exercise before the always remember, this is the observe the velocity curves in the given seismic way. The first is the this line was the secondary wave, this is the primarily waves. Always remember, the velocity of earth. The left curve in figure A shows the velocity of secondary waves, while the curve on the right shows is the primarily waves. There are many changes occurring in the curve, many changes in the secondary waves and primarily waves. There are many changes occurring in the curve of the secondary waves. The curve drawn with the help of the dots shows the average velocity of the waves. The curve of the secondary waves seems to have ended around the depth of the 2900 km. This is the 3000, is the 2900 km depth. Changes are the visible even in the curves of the primary waves. The velocity of the primary waves increase according to depth till 2900 km. The velocity of secondary waves is around 6 to 8 kilometers. 6 to 8 kilometers around the boundary of the outer core, and the curve has stopped there. These waves do not enter the core at the 2900 kilometer. The velocity is around 12 kilometer second, but when it enter the core, the velocity reduced to 8 kilometer 7 second kilometer second. See this shown in the dot curve. On the basis of this curve, the scientists have inferred is the density of various depths. The density curve of the Earth's interior is shown figure B. Red curve in figure B shows gravitational forces at various depths. This red curve is shows gravitational forces. Various depth gravitational forces increase at the certain depth from the surface and then reduce according to depth at the center. It is a zero as a visible form of curve. Observe this figure minutely. Find the various discontinuities in the density curve and show them on the figure. This always remember activity of the diagram in the curve figure. Related question we will continue the next PDF file. Exercise the question. Take the correct option in the box. There are two layers in the crust. First, inner and outer crust, continental and oceanic crust, surface and oceanic crust, and mantle and core. The answer is second, continental and oceanic crust. The answer is second. Next, which elements is found in both mantle and crust? Four option is first, silica, magnesium, aluminium, and iron. The right answer is magnesium. Next, which of these minerals are found in the core of the earth? First, iron, magnesium, magnesium nickel, aluminium iron, and iron nickel. The right answer is iron nickel. The question D, the inner core is in which state? Gaseous, solid state, semi-solid state. The right answer is solid state. Second. Next, the outer core is made of the option is iron, gold, hydrogen, and oxygen. The right answer is iron. Next, the layer of the earth on which we lie. Mantle, core, crust, a continental crust. The right answer is continental crust. Next, which seismic waves can travel through liquid medium? Primary waves, secondary waves, surface waves, and oceanic waves. The right answer is primary waves. This activity In this exercise, note down in your notebook. Next question answer we will provide your PDF file.